Put to that, Dr. Swamy has also urged MPs of their respective constituencies to write to the Prime Minister in a similar way, asking for a CBI investigation.
Yeah, we're also, in fact, being joined now by Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, who's written to the Prime Minister. He was live with us on the phone line a few minutes back. Dr. Swamy, I have the letter with me. In fact, some of the excerpts are very damning. You say that there are many bigwigs in the Maharashtra government who want the death to be perceived as suicide. Dr. Swamy, why do you feel that?
Well, I know that because they are getting very jumpy. What is the need for the Home Minister who belongs to the NCP to suddenly say no need for a CBI inquiry when the matter is not even under consideration of the centre at that time? He should come and say that. And I don't understand that. I do know that a large number of the NCP people have very close connections with Dubai. Many of their top leaders have been visiting very often. I have reports of that. And so, therefore, I think I would be not surprised at all if the Maharashtra cabinet doesn't want to do it. Whatever Uddhav's views might be, he has some constraints, which, so actually what needs to be done is the Prime Minister also should say that this is an interstate matter, because originally Sushant was from Bihar, and therefore the people of Bihar are all up in arms. The cinema world, the fans are all over India, perhaps all over the world, and they are all very upset. And there are so many contradictory things that have come in this as the time goes by. Why was the closed circuit TV closed off? Why was it the fact that they cremated the body even while the autopsy or the post-mortem said it's a provisional report and that is only asphyxiation. Asphyxiation can take place in a number of ways. If you fill a room with a smoke and then put somebody in it, that's also asphyxiation. So this is not a conclusive thing, even prima facie, that this suicide by the post-mortem report. And yet everybody is from the Bollywood is saying it's a suicide, it's a suicide. And there are now reports coming of the cartel that has been working, those three Khan musketeers, the kind of influence they are bringing to bear on people's self-respect in the cinema world. All this needs to be cleaned up. And the black money trail from Dubai back to Pakistan, and then from Pakistan to back to Dubai, and then to India. All kinds of connections are, this crime has now penetrated the Bollywood, and I think since the whole country watches Bollywood films and huge amounts of revenues are collected, I think the time has come that at least on this issue, a young man who had alternative career prospects, and there were very high prospects, he came 7th in the competitive exam for the Delhi School of Engineering. And then he rises to fame in a very short time, and suddenly he disappears. It's not acceptable. It requires a thorough all India probe, and that only the CBI can do.
Well, Dr. Swamy, also on part of the letter that you have written, sir, that you are learning from the sources that many big names in the Bollywood film world are links with dons in Dubai, seeking to ensure a cover-up is carried out by the police so that voluntary suicide is concluded as the reason for the demise of Mr. Rajput. Sir, it's been over 40 days now since Sushant Singh Rajput left us, sir. But do you believe that the investigation is still in its preliminary stage, because right after the FIR, they are still questioning people?
Well, first of all, the Bombay police is in, has a huge task as far as COVID is concerned, that is coronavirus pandemic. And many of its policemen now, I think someone told me is 700, 7,000, I don't know what the number is, have themselves, police people have themselves got coronavirus. And therefore, I think you should not impose this load on the Bombay police. And then there's also other fact that the Bombay police has had, and especially at the top level, a lot of social contacts with the Bollywood people. They've been to their parties, they've been feted. So therefore, I think it's the Bombay police will be relieved if I say the CBI should take it up, because they know that they are in a very hot spot. They'll be damned if they do, and they're damned if they don't. So I think all told, when they take in the totality of circumstances, this is not the first suicide attempt. Attempt to make somebody to commit a suicide or look as if he's committed suicide. There have been other incidents, but now, as somebody says, "Gada bhar gaya," that is, it has now reached a stage. We have reached a tipping point, and now it's now or never. I mean, this is a out clear case where something fishy has happened, and I think the CBI should investigate.
Well, Dr. Swami, we've seen the close link with the Bollywood, with the political links as well that have been much talked about. But you are asking that Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, the Chief Minister, also looks into it and asks for a CBI investigation, sir. So far, as we have seen in the last 40 days, we're not looking at much political reactions coming in, especially from the government of Maharashtra's side, sir.
I agree. I'm not surprised. There are lots of delicacies which they have to overcome, and let them not say anything, because if they say anything, either way they are in difficulty. So I have sympathy for them. Let them just keep quiet, and with the Prime Minister tells them, because you see, Prime Minister is very, very, very clued in as far as public opinion is concerned. He is very much concerned where public issues are there. And so his acknowledging my letter means that of all the letters that he gets in thousands and thousands, he has chosen to acknowledge it, which normally means administratively that he has sent it to the PMO, the Prime Minister's office, to make a file out of this and then present him a recommendation. And I think he knows that today, not only I, but other MPs also, some MLAs, and I think that if the fans of Sushant go to their MPs, they're all right.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Dr. Swami, for talking to us and being here and telling us the investigation, as far as you've been also urging all the MPs from their constituencies also to write to the Prime Minister, so that we can soon see a CBI investigation into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Thank you very much.